Hey my loves, so today is day one of all my birthday shenanigans and I thought I would vlog the whole thing because it is a special time in my life and I'm getting to celebrate it with special people, and so I wanted to collect all of these memories through video. And yeah, so I'm going to take you along this crazy weekend birthday journey, and I'm excited to see everybody and hang out with everybody. I think to me, for birthdays, the most important part for me is that it's an excuse for me to hang out and celebrate and spend time with people that I love. So yeah, let's get to that. You're gonna be working on my nails today?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. So I'm about to get my nails done, guys. Here are the finished nails. Pretty. So we're here at Vandal, about to go in. This is Sarah. So this is Pat. It's a little dark up in here, but she's a beautiful bride that you probably seen on my Instagram stories. And look what she got me for my birthday.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't
So makeup is done, guys. What do you think? Oh, and the shirt is from ASOS Curve. I am loving it. And here is the full outfit. I think it's from Fashion Nova. This is actually a full bodysuit. Really beautiful detailing. Look at the sleeves. See the sleeves? But I actually folded it in so that it's like a crop top right now. And the skirt is a high-low tulle skirt that is actually custom made from someone that I found on Etsy, and I will link her information below. And this is Bug's beautiful outfit. This jacket is actually on ASOS as well. I just love the satin green feel of it all. I think it complements my outfit. This place is so dope. Bathroom, right? Yeah, this is the bathroom in the basement. Oh, so pretty. I know. I have my basement. So today is day 3 of the birthday shenanigans, and we are going to head out to a spa. Actually, it's a Sojo Spa to start the day, David and I, and then later on we're going to have dinner at Traif with the cousins and some friends, and then later on even more friends are coming over to the house. We're going to have like a game night. Dave's doing the waterfall and the water is freezing. But this place is gorgeous in the summertime. So Dave is doing the advanced quick tab and it is super painful. I think after our hot tub right now.
That you just know one. Another soul is broken. It's always kind of funny how you find out how they're coping. So he asked me how I'm coping, and I asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me, I drink pine and ginger. And mom, if you wine, pon it, and I play that. And I drink pine and ginger. And mom, if you wine, pon it, and I play that. And after rum and all the sorrow, guess I'm a drink away, I'm sorry. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow.
She have the pine with the ginger. Spliff like time, girl, I get ninja. Miss right wine, never
Right now, playing Dark Cranium.
Ninja, when we in ya. Tell her if you wine, pon it, wine, pon it, wine, pon it.
Say hello.
But I know me, I sing.
Has a specific schedule. My goldfish has a specific needs. My goldfish needs all of my time and
We're going to start off reading verses 1 to 9.
You just don't want to go right now? Oh, so then I'll wait. Yes, and then some ribs.
You guys want to say happy birthday to Stephanie?
Happy birthday, sis.
Happy birthday, Stephanie. Even though it's not today, like right now, but happy birthday.
Okay, so it is Monday, and this is what, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the 5th day of birthday celebrations, and tomorrow is my actual birthday. And it's been amazing because I get to celebrate with all the different people in my life that mean so much to me. And so today I'm gonna go hang out with some people that I met in college, and they mean so much to me, so I'm excited. We're gonna go and grab dinner at Turntable, which is like this fried Korean spot in New York City, in like K-Town. So let's fast forward over there.
Hi, Joan.
So here's my birthday outfit of the day. It's pretty laid back after all the weekend's shenanigans. I decided to opt for cozy. I got my Roshis. These are from Elos. This little comfy sweater is from Old Navy, and of course this jacket is from Fashion Nova, which has become one of my favorites. And of course paired everything off with some Ray-Bans and my favorite Aldo watch, and we are like rushing to get out of here because David's got plans that are surprises, so I really don't know what's gonna happen, but I am excited. So after a weekend of adventure and fun, I am excited to have more of a relaxed and one-on-one time with David. So it's officially May 1st, 2018, and I am officially 30 years old, which is so crazy to me. I still feel like I'm a kid inside. Like I still, yeah. But I am excited for everything that, you know, life has in store, God has in store. And I couldn't ask for a better bunch of people to do life with and a better husband to do life with. So I'm grateful for everybody that I am surrounded by. Like I honestly feel like God spoiled me. He's like, you know what? I'm just gonna spoil my daughter. So I'm very grateful. All right, let's go do 30. To our first.
Where are we going?
I guess we're going to the Lip Lab by bike.
Maybe.
We're Vanessa's Dumpling. So we were both locked in individual boxes the entire time for 45 minutes, and literally at the last minute we got out, we figured it out. But actually I had figured it out a little bit earlier, just was second guessing myself for like probably like 15 minutes, because I thought it was too easy to be the answer. But we figured it out, yes, we did it. Yeah, we did it.
Excited?
Yes. This place is very special to me because I've been coming here since I was 2 years old, so it's tied to a lot of childhood memories.